Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the control panel and motor bowl of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected. Next, we will focus on removing the motor bowl. To do this, locate the release button on the side of the bowl. Press it firmly and lift the bowl out of the base. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining food particles that may be obstructing the bowl. Once the motor bowl is removed, we can access the control panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to secure the new panel. With the screws removed, gently pull the control panel away from the body of the Thermomix. Be cautious not to damage any wiring connected to the panel. If you find it difficult to detach, check for any clips that may be holding it in place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your appliance serviced without any hassle. Now, let's clean the internal components of the Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, removing any dust or residue. This step is crucial as it ensures that your new components will function optimally. Pay special attention to the area around the motor, as this can accumulate debris over time. Next, take your new control panel and align it with the body of the Thermomix. Carefully connect any wiring that was previously attached to the old panel. Once everything is in place, push the panel back into position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it is firmly attached to avoid any future issues. Now let's move on to the motor bowl. Before placing it back, inspect the bowl for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, simply align it with the base and press down until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. If you're unsure about any of these steps, or if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help you troubleshoot any problems you may face. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source and test the new control panel and motor bowl. Ensure that all functions are working correctly. If you notice any irregularities, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In summary, replacing the control panel and motor bowl of your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your appliance running like new in no time. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.